Hello YouTube, let's just pull it apart Paul again. Obviously we're in the garage today, we're working on this President Adams and we're getting through the cosmetic and the electrical issues, but today is the covers. So you may have recalled yesterday I said I was going to remove the vinyl on the covers, which I've done. I didn't do a video on this. However, the process is I put it into an oven, an oven outside, not your wife's oven, don't do that. And I set to 250 degrees Celsius and put them in there for about 10 to 15 minutes. And the vinyl carbonizes, it flakes off. You then just do a scrape. And the important part is to sand with a random orbital sander, of which I've done. And I used an automotive etch primer, and that has sealed all of the covers. So they'll look a burnt colour. And at that point, you start fixing your first damage on the covers. My process here right now is to fill the holes that I've got on the top covers and just go over the bottom cover ones with a tiny little an amount, and then we'll do a 1000 grit sand, then 2, and then lay down the gloss black vinyl duplicolour. Alright, the process for that, I'm just going to put a bit of tape on the underside and then fill those holes. Okay, I've filled the holes. Takes around 5 hours to dry, then go through the sanding process. Okay, so this is the mounting bracket. One side's okay, the inside's okay. It suffered from a lot of rust. We can see it there, which I've covered. What I'm going to do is fill the holes. It's going to look awful, and then sand it down and then etch prime again. Okay, so that's the ugliness. It's going to fill all the holes, and then we wait around about 5 hours, maybe more because it's a bit cold here in Melbourne, and then get to it with the orbital sander.